Did you know that you can manage multiple reply to comment automations with your Instagram agent? Well, let me show you how. Hey Jotformers, welcome back. I'm Kimberly, and like I mentioned, if you're using the reply to comments feature within your Instagram agent, you might have realized that you have lots of posts and you have lots of needs on how you reply to comments. You can absolutely have multiple reply to comment options within your agent. So as you can see, I'm currently in the desktop version of my workspace. And as of right now, I only have my AI agents chosen. So I'm going to choose Penny, my penguin conservationist. She is attached to our Save the Penguin Instagram account. So I'm going to come over here to publish. I'm going to come to reply to comments. We'll go to customize. And you can see that we have multiple different types of reply automations. This one right here is going to reply to all posts where someone says that they want to donate or they have questions about donating. It's going to reply with a comment and a DM. And you can see right here, I can easily at a glance see that this is going to cover the donate option. Next, we have a generic reply to all comments. So anytime someone says something under the post, we want to reply to them saying like, hey, thanks for commenting. I appreciate your engagement. That's going to be every single one, and you can see it's just a comment, not a DM. And then down here at the bottom, we have the keyword guide. This is just for this specific post, because in this specific post, I'm talking just about how to do something specific for the penguins. And if someone wants more information, they can comment guide, and I will reply to that comment, and I'll send them a DM with the PDF of that guide. So it's very simple to go in and have multiple reply to comments within your Instagram agent. And if for any reason you need to disable one, you can absolutely do that. If we need to edit, very simple to do that. Or again, if we need to add a new one, you can add as many as you like. And it really is as simple as that. If you have any questions about how to manage the multiple comment reply automations you have, let us know down below in the comments. If you like this video and you got some value, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you get a notification every time we put out a new video. I'll see you next time.